I'm just doing a bit of painting for Haven. She just left me here. She's gone off to do a mood board to decorate the kitchen. So I thought I'd give her a little bit of a hand. So I'm just finishing off. She's painted all of the pieces of wood white. So I think that would be a really good idea to get it finished. She got this wood, she got it from a place called B&Q, and they do free cutting there. So she got it all cut there, so we didn't even have to do any sawing or anything. So I'm really pleased about that. Then we also found that there were several other places which did free cutting, like Totem Timber and different places like that. So we're going to be using them because we think that's a really good idea, that we don't have to do all this sawing. So we got our plan, and you can download that if you want to. It's on the internet, and you should be able to come then and paint all your rooms. And then I think probably Haven will come and have a chat with you about our mood boards. She's made one here of what she wants the place to look like. And then she's going to get some help from all the rest of us to help her design the room. I think that'd be a really good idea, don't you? Okay guys, I'll see you later. I better get on with this, otherwise Haven's going to be telling me off. See you all later. Goodbye.